Dramani Mahama. Ni ratings no. Eji a yeji ni tum na ekofem. Aye. Enti debiamo ye ne ye kananu sei. Ehun atem didie bebre. But Jeff project my aye post na ba. Ma yen kan kire mo amanyofo no. Se me de bia meka. Aye po 58% of Ghanaians are backing Mahama despite the dip in approval ratings. Na approval ekofem. Na approval ekofem. The TN say as of December 2025, Mahama no one nam 68 say. Yeah. And no one nam saying approval ratings no one nam 68%. Any the other one. Yeah. Na May 2026 busumi etwa mu ya ye be ye wie no. Mahama nipa agini tumu Ghana ha se obo ne homode ne swate aba 58.9%. Eluna ya ne ye ka kire mu no. Ministers ni bia hyase ye arrogant. Na no meka wa hana monti ase e bi di matem because I mentioned some of the ministers ewum. E bi mo adwuma enti ratings na ekofem. I'm telling you. Na ne ochiri mu ne se ye hwa economy no ekra ne Mahama enya approval kakra. Etimi sustain here because dollar no say ye yidie but Ghana for gitum na ohwe inflation so a baby egina no enti baby aye de kan asem no Jeff ko ani ma road infrastructure akwan aye no eno so omu hu ni se no ma ekọ enti omu ma na approval but oma raise concerns say sa no ma ekọ nyina inflation ene ye sidi na ayeye no bra Facebook be hade ene ye sidi no a egina ne na so ne ade ni nyina no and translate it into lower cost of living. Chesa manfo nhyada ntenka wo mbotom sana ayi report na ekire wo ena nyuma eda manfo akoma so se nyuma bebuo no so enhyeda mpie kese ena efie se wo ye adwuma nya bia to botom dia hwefie no efie hwe no so no ayedin household income no kofem now omo kire se electricity supply ejina mu brane enya disapproval no ebiwom ejo se ne yeka edundum esi hemufuma asem nko na anofo no kura na etise na anofo no kura people are watching you see omo did I tell you so bit me defend you amanyuku but the fact is that you cannot defend it wo obi a sabe oye floating voter no wonye NDC nya MPP ni NDC MPP ni ndi oye entrench wo ye the den ya ho no on se sanadwene but floating voters no mo na kire abatuo mu di obedi nkunim no they watch all these things the atwemo adwene sisu a don't think so be town. Or say corruption and raise ako 19.1% is raised by 19.1% corruption. Me church or the echo. And here you say BBNC may 2025 Auditor General report no. Yeah, thank you because ADBS in Rabi who ye kra me shebe. Say a whole municipal assembly. Your friend say Ayawaso Central Municipal Assembly. Minister for Local Governance echo. Okoduru wono mo a obisa omo se sika ye de ma omo a edidem nipa de chese omo edidem o ebiti wheelchair mu bintimi nyahwe no sika ye de ma omo no ye ma mo 500,000 mo ye expenses at church no ma 400 ye pese mo kire de omo a mo di sika ne ma omo mo de list number ba sign na de ma asimesi sign na de ma asimesi ne enka ho ene wo se mo ma kire account no said you musi yi sika no de man crofo no a omo ti omo nya paper no omo nete wono bra Facebook bra we kra de public accounts committee omo local government minister e na aba ho a obisa omo enti menim de 2025 auditor general report na be ye de wo de see
when you receive that you are Nhyira FM you must be them exactly all things being equal. If you were giving 112 for a third quarter, the third quarter amount was huge. The first quarter was a bit smaller. Second quarter was also huge. And fourth quarter was huge. Meaning, let's take this one as the average. Meaning you have received at least 4 to 500 million, 4 to 500,000 for PWD. Wow. Is that what you have? On record, what do you have? Let me see your paper now. Now look at it. The one you were going to give me and I said, go and bring it. The name. But did I ask you of the name?
Did I ask you of the name?
I said PWD.
people with disabilities omusika akọ assembly ayawa so central municipal assembly DC CMC MC omu ntimi account minister net omu ntimi account for sika na yemfa ma omu edi dem no he se dem die da de obedi obi a wadi dem sika bia woni dem anza no afiri asase so ya me say se dem die enya hwe eda MC bia DC bia wobedi people with disabilities omu sika bia na so wamfa nya adwuma no. I'm not saying say we mu adi o. They are not able to account until say on by investigation who they are not able to account. But they make can say DC MC bia ubedi omo edi dem sika no. People with disabilities no. Ewurade moa ne experience bi ansa no afiri asase so. Ni patri mu den dodo. Uhu omo mobo biti kwa hu sika ebia ye mobo. But omo sika kakra beba no we know say most of the money no enko omo nchen. Bebre enko yetirimu den minister oman provide ya oman ntimi ankyere concrete account ka kire mampani DC no on deserve so what na ho yeah man for tirimu den and part of the NDC manifesto people with disabilities omo ye die kan welfare you talked about it ehun hia that's my word wabna you
Govi, yeah president aka